Hey there guys, it's Chief JC here of Circle JC Merc Hobby Shop. Pakita lang namin sa inyo guys, real quick, ang aming pong target training pistol or TTP-50 riot gun natin guys by APS brand. Nako, napakagwapo ng unit na to. Napakita natin sa inyo to sa mga previous videos. So ngayon, mabilisan lang how to set up. Quick demo lamang po tayo. Ayos? Let's go! Unboxing, what comes with the box? Manual, the unit, 2 magazines, 6 rounds, 12 rounds of rubber balls, caliber 50, the hammer. Guys, ang TTP-50 ay non-blowback, so hindi nagagalaw yung slide na yan. It is powered by, propelled by 12G CO2 canister. Top side down. Yun. Ito po yung hammer niya, yung pinaka-cover. Yan, lagay lang natin. Make sure that it is tight. Magazine, 6 rounds. Insert the magazine this way. Alright, make sure it's locked. Now your TTP-50 is locked and loaded. Kapag gagamitin nyo na yung TTP-50, pipindutin lang itong ilalim, no? Yun, ready na yan, guys. Guys, ang isang CO2 natin, kayang pumutok ng mga 25 to 30 rounds. Tapos guys, kung hindi nyo naman kailangan gamitin or for emergency purpose lang, ano, gaya nga ng ating tagline dito, this riot gun, TTP-50, is actually a home security self-defense unit. So, kung hindi nyo siya gagamitin, okay lang, magtatagal yung CO2 dyan, nakastay put lang yan dyan. Kapag kailangan nyo nang gamitin, yun nga, ginawa natin kanina, pinalo lang natin itong ilalim, ipapuncture nyo na yung CO2 at mag-discharge siya ng gas sa unit mo. So, tara guys, test fire na natin itong baby na to. Let's go! Di ba guys, napakadaling i-setup ng TTP-50. Guys, ang TTP-50 o riot gun natin shoots 350 to 400 FPS. So napakalakas niya guys. Pero consider ninyo kung gaano kalaki ang bala. Grabe, rubber ball na caliber 50 tapos ganun kalakas ang kanyang velocity. Ibang klase itong ating TTP-50 riot gun. So tara, subukan na natin. Firing! Wow! Woo, lakas! Grabe! Wow! Wow! Alam nyo guys, mas malakas pa ang tunog niya sa personal kaysa sa video. Talagang grabe adrenaline mo rito. Ayun, wala na. Imagine niyo guys ha. Guys, eto ha, wala pa siyang rubber balls na nakalagay. Pero, grabe lakas oh. Wow. Wow. Talagang air gun siya. Again guys, this is our TTP-50 riot gun by APS brand. Available only here at Circle JC Merc Hobby Shop. Guys, order na kayo nitong TTP-50 natin. Woohoo! Go and be a blessing.